Comes to relationships, communication and affection is key, right? I mean that what I
Unless you're being stalked.
darling Simone. Now that I don't do is love bomb, whatever. I don't love bomb. I don't even know what that means. And this is when someone gives excessive attention and affection to manipulate the recipient into liking them and feeling dependent on them. No, sir. So here are some signs. The first one says, and this comes from healthline.com.
Some people are going to hear this and say, but that's not a problem.
Yeah, they lavish you with gifts. Some people say, but me love gifts. Love bombing often involves over-the-top gestures, such as sending you inappropriate gifts to your job, dozens of bouquets instead of one, for example. I don't know if I would say inappropriate. Maybe over the top, but I don't know if that's inappropriate. Or buying expensive plane tickets for a vacation and not taking no for an answer. That is definitely not good. Not taking no for an answer is definitely not good.
If I walk out of my office and the lobby is filled with flowers,
that's inappropriate. Would you use that? That's the word you would use?
I would more say like it's creepy.
But that's what I'm saying. I don't know if it's...
Creepy is usually inappropriate.
Yeah, inappropriate. Yeah, I guess so. All of this can seem harmless, but the point is to manipulate you into thinking you owe them something. Well, I don't do that, and I don't know if I agree with that either.
Which part you don't agree with?
That I want to manipulate you into thinking you owe me something.
I guess they're saying it can be read that way.
Maybe
some people.
No, I could get it wrong, you know. I could get things wrong and think if I give her a whole lot of stuff.
Some people think if you give them plenty of things, you can't get anything from them.
No,
I guess that's what this article is saying.
Yeah.
That.
No, but I was suggesting that I could get it wrong. I mean, I give you a lot of stuff, but it's not because I want anything from you. They just...
Yes, but some people, they're saying give a lot of stuff.
So that's the part I don't...
Say.
Yeah.
They want things.
Yep. The next one is?
They can't stop complimenting you. We all crave admiration, but constant praise can make your head spin. If someone's expressing their undying love after just a short amount of time, it's a potential red flag that their feelings are genuine. Some common over-the-top phrases they might use include, I love everything about you. Everything. I just love everything. Or, I've never met anyone as perfect as you. Or, you're the only person I want to spend time with.
What's wrong with that?
What?
Well, someone don't want to spend no time with nobody else but you, so me can't tell you that?
Well, don't tell me that.
But why? But no, I'm serious. What's wrong with that? You would prefer I say, you know, you're not the only person I want to spend time with. You know, I have 3 other little ladies outside I want to spend time with.
No, don't be ridiculous. You're going to the other extreme.
So what is wrong with that?
There must be something else in your life that you want to do.
Yeah,
if all you want to do is spend time with me 24 hours a day.
No, this never said that. It said you're the only person I want to spend time with. It never said I want to spend time with you all day. It just means if I have 2 hours free in the day, it's you I want to spend the time with.
Bell.
Right.
This means that I don't want to go to, I don't want to work, I don't want to play,
yeah,
I don't want to go to dinner, eat, spend time with anybody but you.
Well, I've never told anybody that, by the way. But
that's a flag of a red color.
Well, yeah, the way you say it is a red flag. But all this says you're the only person I want to spend time with.
What more you wanted to say?
Because I want to spend time by myself sometime too.
No.
And when I'm not alone and I want to spend time with somebody, it's you I want to spend it with.
No.
Well, we disagree.
You ever meet somebody you love everything about?
No, I don't talk about everything. No, I'm not saying I've never met anyone as perfect. Never said that. But you're the only person I want to spend time with. I can live with that. I can live with that. And I'm hoping that I am the only person you want to spend. And that make you don't want it to do because you don't want to tell me that. The next one says they bombard you with phone calls and texts. Well, that's definitely not me.
Don't do it.
They call, text, and message you over social media. Well, I'm not even on social media, 24/7. Well, I am, because them tell me, say, WhatsApp is social media. So
yes,
I am on social media.
We know.
While being in constant communication is normal when you're first dating. Well, it's not normal even when you're first dating if it is constant. It's a red flag.
It's new, so it's more frequent, right? When it's fresh, but...
It's not. If the communication feels one-sided.
I've heard you say, like, if you call me, you don't get me. Then you WhatsApp me and ask me why you call and you don't get me.
No,
then you text me to say, I WhatsApp you to tell you that I call you. That person is somebody you're running to the opposite direction.
No, well, I agrre with that. But I'm not
surely.
I'm not into that. And
Next thing you know,
and then you have some people who
send
send you a
with a
message.
telegram.
You have some people who send you a message say, I'm going to call you.
No, but that's important.
Why?
Because you can't just call somebody.
Why not?
You shouldn't.
Why not? So
So it says now a good time to call?
So if I want to ask him if you ask if I call you?
Well,
Yes, it sounds like you want to say yes.
I mean, sometimes it's now a good time to call you. Because suppose you're in the middle of a meeting.
Then I don't
and your
answer
phone
the phone.
ring
Then
off.
I don't answer the phone.
Yeah, but your phone is zzz,
No, the phone. No. We're disagreeing on too much things this morning, by the way.
That's good. That's healthy.
Chef, start note with that something. They want your undivided attention. When your focus isn't on the other person, they might become angry. This can look like pouting when you're on the phone with friends or refusing to leave after you say you have to be at work early the next day.
Red flag. Yes, Nev. Or you don't have a problem with that either? My God.
I never said so. I never said so. I don't say a word. I don't say a word. Undivided attention kind of heavy still.
That's the same thing as you're the only person I want to spend time with.
No, that's different. I still think that is different. Do you agree with me, sir? That is different. I am not saying I want to spend 24 hours with you. No, that's not what I'm saying. Because I need my own time. Me and Sheffield, I go a road a little bit and stuff. But when I feel like I want to spend time with someone, it's you I want to spend it with. I am not backing off from that. And I'm going to prove it to you. Move over.
Negative. Here we go again.
Joke.
Musical chairs.
Joke.
Okay.
Next one.
Oh, they try to convince you that you're soulmates.
That's
Telling you they dream that, wow.
Go on, don't make me hear.
I dreamt that God told us we should marry. It's a manipulation tactic.
Oh, so you have a problem with the father telling me, say, go and marry her. You have an issue with that? All right.
Wait, no?
Hold on, never cut
Some other things they might say is we were born to be together. It's fate that we met. You understand me more than anyone. We're soulmates.
What is wrong with all of that?
You know what? I don't really have a problem with...
Thank you very much.
With you understand me more than anyone.
Thank you. You do have a problem with the next one?
I don't have a problem that it's fate that we met.
Yeah.
I don't know about we were born to be together.
Then that no fate? Born together, no fate. Born to be together, not born together.
We were, let's make that distinction.
We never born together.
But,
no, I mean, I have a problem with that one.
For true though, God could have dreamed you and tell you, say, you're supposed to marry somebody.
Of course.
You know? I mean...
Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like you get a dream, say, it's me you must marry?
No, that would be a nightmare.
Oh, so God give you a nightmare. Father, I hope you're hearing all of this. This is the pastor daughter talking, by the way. That God give her a nightmare to marry me.
No, my father know better. If my father dreamed that, you don't going to tell me.
They want commitment and they want it now. Well, I have an issue
negative.
I have an issue with commitment. So that's definitely a negative.
Yeah, that would be a deal breaker for you.
That is definitely negative
No,
for
this
me.
is the man who would like to talk about me and him getting married, talking on national TV that he have a problem with commitment. You could, how dare you?
But I don't commit to you already.
No,
I have a problem with committing to other people. You don't understand when I talk, you know.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
No, you know why it was good?
That was quick. Because it's true.
It's true.
Yeah, I know. That was good too.
Yeah.
That was good too. Yeah.
Yeah, folks, look at me. Yeah. Look at this face here. I am committed. I just don't commit it over there, but I'm committed over here. Chef, I tell you a lie? Thank you very much. Watch out. She'll start, I'll cry. Commitment.
Actually, I'm going to...
Commitment, make her ball.
I'm going to cry
and
now.
I'm going to show you we are special here, honey.
Thank you, love.
It's
so full of it.
I feel like I don't commit it no more.
You are so...
that one they hold you.
That was good. That was good.
Thank you. They get upset when you place boundaries.
Red flag.
When you try to tell them to slow down, they'll continue to try to manipulate. I don't like that word manipulate. You get to what they want. Someone who legitimately cares, on the other hand, will respect your wishes and back off. Yeah. I don't mind boundaries.
Overly needy people.
I don't mind boundaries.
No matter how much time and access you give them, it's never enough. You know why? Because they want...
Spend all the time with you. You know, I left that one day. Yeah, man. And that happen. You know, I leave that one day.
Nev, you can't talk about boundaries if you want to spend all your time with somebody.
No. We're going back to that again.
Because it's
You
important.
know, you know what them say is the problem with math? English comprehension. You're not understanding how well you did in math.
Very poorly. Very poorly.
You're not understanding
Very
what
poorly.
I'm talking about. You're overwhelmed by their intensity. They never turn down the charm and seem to be running on all cylinders when you're with them. You never know what to expect from one moment to the next and feel pressured into seeing them round the clock.
Do
Well,
you
we
know
ain't had it
why?
round the clock because I want to spend all the time with you.
Yeah.
And the final one is,
You feel unbalanced. Being love bombed can feel intoxicating at first, but you also might feel a bit uneasy waiting for the other shoe to drop. In short, don't love bomb anybody.
love bombing is when one person is overly attentive, at the start of a relationship, so they can gain control and
You
manipulate
made
you.
on too heavy, man.
The degree to which the person love bombs is inordinately strong and intense, says Kyle Zrenchik, who is a doctor, a licensed family and marriage therapist and co-owner of All In Therapy Clinic. You can't tell me, oh, I must look after my lady. The experience is temporary. He says once someone falls under the spell of a love bomber, the relationship
Love bomber. I mean,
Yeah.
that's like somebody should report at the police station. What's the series of the crime? I was love bombed, sir.
Love bombers can also make it hard for their partner to leave the relationship, since the abuser can come back with extravagant apologies or symbols of love in an attempt to guilt their partner into staying.
That's not healthy.
But you know, some people is that them would want in their life.
That's not
Some people just want,
to be love bombed?
well, you know, some people can see with that. All right, Jody Samuels, we have, hey folks, we're on national television and we're live. And I know you're watching because Jody's here. All right, so were you ever love bombed? Were you ever love bombed? Send and tell Jody if you were love bombed.
Were you ever love bombed?
Nope. I don't know what it means.
You took too long to answer.
All right, we'll soon come back. And when we come back, we'll have the National Business Model Competition.
Can
we
you
talked about.
detonate a love bomb? Like, can you, like what it,
I don't know what it
I
looks
watch
like.
too much TV.
So come.